Hi guys, this is Isaiah Banks, and we're gonna play some Subway Surfers, try to do the world's longest run. So we're gonna try. Let's do this, guys. Hope guys you playing. I'm playing with one hand here, so if you look, one hand. Whew. I'm trying to go to 100,000 if I can. Please subscribe and comment. If there's any requested vids, please answer. I will respond. Oh my gosh, good thing I hopped on that train. Yeah. Dun dun dun. I like that music. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Yeah, near miss. Whew, you made it still though. Whew, gosh, that was scary right there. Whew, jump, slide. Ooh, we got it, we got it. Jump, slide.
Hey. She's asleep.
Yes, sir. Okay, we're doing good so far. Okay, one good so far, guys. Oh, yes. Got it going on so far. Going good, guys. Yes. Yes. Thank you, guys, for that good luck right there. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, guys, doing good. Gucci flavors right now. Oh, okay, I don't care. Then I get another key. First board I'm using. Because it's going pretty fast now. I missed all that right there. What a shame of me. Doing good so far. I don't care. Yeah, I like that haul. Thank you, God. I should use the board on that part. I know it was going too fast for me. Oh, I got aim today. Okay, just straight line. There we go. Aw, dang it. Well, guys, I tried to, so bye. See what we got here. Wow. Okay. Oh, let's see what I earned here. Oh, look at her. Oh, tricky. Ice, okay. It's pretty tight. Uh-oh. What is going on? Bye, guys. Subscribe and comment.